just turn her head from one side to another on her own?
Yep. Kaylee, can you lift your head to look at Daddy?
4 weeks old. A month old and already.
Yep. Oh. Oh.
Kaylee, turn your head back around and look at Mommy.
She can't hurt herself like that, can she?
No.
You know, by banging her head against the floor.
Well,
Come on, do it with Daddy. Well, this tires my neck. Yeah.
come on, Kaylee, keep trying. Turn your head for Mama.
But it's hard.
I know. You can do it. You have your hand on. Oh. Hey, come on, almost there. Come on, you're almost there.
Come on. Come on. Come
Come
on.
on. There we go. There we go.
Come on. Come on.
Over here. Hey, you. Hi, pretty girl. You did it. Look at you. Holding your head up like a big girl. Look at you.
She's getting all fussy and frustrated.
Yay. Okay, I think 5 minutes is long enough.